As you can see, I forgot to press record and was already started, but we're still at the beginning. This is Kiko, my nail practice hand, and today's nail design is inspired by NotPolish, as I'm using their products, and you'll find a list in my description box. I want to say thank you to all of you. I've been beyond words over your support. And to anyone new, welcome to this NailTube family. My name is Tomi and I'm a licensed nail tech. Though I missed this past Tuesday, my content is usually consistent on Tuesdays and Thursdays, while also offering spontaneous content on other random days of the week. And we're currently celebrating our milestone of reaching 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so excited for what's in store. There's definitely a giveaway planned for this celebration as my appreciation to you. It's been coordinated with a couple of companies and we're just waiting for the brown boxes to arrive, guys. And let's not forget the beautiful ladies, Daniela and DG, who made contributions. Thank you both so much. This is just too awesome, and I love you guys. If you're learning how to do acrylic, I've offered tips in numerous videos and have an acrylics playlist. One of the things I mentioned before is to get accustomed to working on different lengths of nails, so you can either get accustomed to various bead sizes or becoming more proficient with your timing while having to do more beads for the length. And as much as I wished I could do this length in one bead, I've only done XXL coffins once or twice on this channel, so I continue to practice as well. I'd also continue to say there is no right or wrong, and practice is practice that can only help you learn from your errors and mistakes, or continue to improve what you're already doing well. If you are an upcoming nail student and you plan on offering service to clients, timing is going to be of the utmost. But even before that, your work needs to be quality. By this, I mean your prep, your application, your shaping, and other factors. Once you gain confidence, you should start timing yourself. And by all means, work under an honor system and be true to yourself, because when it boils down to it, you won't be able to shave true time when doing a real service. I know most videos don't reflect true time, but the reality is most people aren't going to sit through watching a 45-minute to an hour-and-a-half long video either. So what we mostly provide are key points. When doing an ombre, it takes light strokes of the brush while the acrylic is still a little wet. In this particular video, I'm using a rather translucent blue and nude, and they have such a light and refreshing look. I don't necessarily always cap with clear when using translucents. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's your preference. When laying acrylic, the goal is to lay it as close to smooth as possible so it requires less filing when done. And it's not always going to be perfect, but the better you can lay it, the less filing and shaping in the end. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier, you aren't seeing me go into the Dappen dish once it becomes empty because I actually have another one off on the side. It was filled by mistake and I'm using it until it's all gone. You'll see it when I start the 3D work. And you know, I've been leaving the filing ASMR in for those who like it. Like Tasha Wells loves filing sounds. In fact, for this set, I only used a hand file. Well, with the exception of rounding and smoothing the cuticle area. With what I have left of the extra monomer, this 3D nail art is probably the most easy of all and is often what's taught starting out. So to make this, work consistently with the same size bead. And always place them just a small gap apart to keep the petals separated. I didn't record when I placed the thin layers of matching blue gel polish inside the petals, and I'm going in with tiny point back blue stones. I use base coat to secure bling. It's something I hadn't seen, so I researched, experimented, and showed that this works in a video about 2 months ago. It's definitely a go-to if you don't have bling gel. So I'm applying base coat, then placing small flat back AB crystals. But for anything large, I would use bling gel. Now, for some reason, I felt like it still didn't have that not polish pizzazz. And since I didn't do an acrylic cutout, I just added a small line of glitter polish and lined it with silver gel to create that same effect. Then I went around the 3D nail art with a thin brush to apply not polish, gloss it, no white top coat, and for the other nails, not polish, matted, no white top coat. And I love how they turned out so much. If you enjoyed today's video, remember my acrylic nails playlist. Did I come close to a not polished design? There's an unboxing, a polygel video, and the giveaway, and much more coming. So if you haven't, subscribe to my channel and don't miss anything else. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Much love.